So are there a lot of people are asking about photosensors that can detect some of the nitrate and the nitrate. Is there anything that could detect the difference between the ammonia and the nitrate?
Well, you measure each of them.
Okay.
And you have your answer. Yeah. There's these tests, well, there's lots of things. I put them out for you. These are chemical tests.
Okay.
You know, they're indicators.
You can get pictures
And you just follow the instructions on the back of the card. In this case, it says, put 3 drops of this into the test tube, shake it once, and compare it to the colors. That's a simple test. This one's probably a little more complex. This is ammonia. And they want you to put 8 drops of each, shake it, wait 5 minutes, and then compare it. I think nitrate goes the most complex. They actually have you putting drops in, shaking the second bottle for 30 seconds, etc. And finally you get to, in the end, they're all color-coded. And of course they come with that lack of accuracy. If you were to use these right now, we just did it about 2 hours ago with the students, and they put their results down, but their results were off when we then turned around. And this is a pH meter. It's able to be calibrated anywhere from 1 to 3 points. It's just like a tricorder on the bridge of the Enterprise. You stick it in the water, press the button, and it tells you what you want.
Yeah, I remember you using it
And
last time.
here's one that does, this is dual range, what are they looking for? Parts per million. Oh, this is a TDS tester.
Okay.
And this one, which one is, you asked the difference, by the way. One of these is, yeah. What's NO3? Is that nitrate or nitrite?
Your O3 nitrate.
Well, the other one is NO2, I guess. So it's missing a...
One's nitrite, one's
Atom.
nitrate. The 3 would be
Right.
the nitrate, I think.
I
and the
think so too.
The O3 is the nitrite and the nitrate.
So chemically, that's the difference. But this thing does the same thing these two do. And it comes with a calibration solution. And then there's dissolved oxygen and ORP, they also call it. There's electrical conductivity.
You measure that, Ted?
Well, TDS and electrical conductivity are the same test.
Oh, they are.
They just give them to you in different readings.
Okay.
But it's...
So if we put
one and the
electrical
same.
conductivity on the app, people will understand what that is, right? Because that's all we
They
have.
will, but there's no reason not to convert it. You know, remember, if you can do it, it's sort of expected if it's a calculation.
Yeah. Well, that's what I said. I mean, we may have more than 5 variables, you know.
Well, I think you probably will. I mean, we didn't even, temperature is in this. And by the way, this pH meter, this is a combo meter. This one does pH and ECD and TDS, okay? So it does the conversion, really. It's not measuring 3 times, it's measuring twice. The pH, though, where was I going with that? These things are calibrated and then...
Make conversions?
Yeah, but this one here, when you make the conversions, oh, that was it. I'm sorry. It had to do with the temperature. This one does the pH based on temperature, and it does make a difference. There's a little bit of a variable in there, but it calculates that. And there's a little clock that goes, and when the clock is no longer there, it's done calculating. Take that. That's the reading you're supposed to.
Okay.
So
take.
you're going to have ammonium nitrite, which is NO2, and nitrate is NO3.
Yep.
They're going to be able to get their pH. They're going to get their temperature. They're going to get their EC or their ppm, but they're also going to get dissolved oxygen.
Yeah, we have a dissolved oxygen meter.
And so to make sure that the pH on the fish part is which you get the starter plants ready, and then you get them into the beds, right? And then you get the